Tesla's interior LED accent lighting enhances the cabin's ambiance and ergonomics. This video provides a comprehensive guide on how to set up and customize these lights in your Tesla. As of December 2024, Tesla's software updates have significantly expanded customization options. These lights are available on all Tesla Model 3, 2021 Plus, Model Y, Model S Plaid, Model X, and Cybertruck. No hardware changes are needed for basic setup. The customization interface for Tesla's interior LED accent lights is accessed through the vehicle's touchscreen. Start by tapping the controls icon on the main screen. Navigate through the menu by selecting Controls, then Lights, and finally Interior Lights. This opens the customization panel where all LED options are available. Within the Interior Lights menu, you'll find several customization options. Choose from millions of colors using the color picker, adjust brightness with a smooth slider, and configure behavior settings for different scenarios. The latest Tesla software includes dynamic ambient modes, which allow the interior lights to automatically adjust based on various factors. The lights can respond to driving conditions, change with the time of day, or even sync with music playback for an immersive experience. For advanced customization, the touchscreen allows you to create custom gradients by blending colors smoothly across the interior. You can also select from preset themes like Ocean or Aurora, which provide coordinated color schemes for different moods. These customizations are applied instantly throughout the vehicle's interior, creating the perfect ambiance for any driving situation. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to experiment with different combinations until you find your ideal lighting setup. To begin setting up your interior lights, first turn on your Tesla vehicle. Ensure the touchscreen is unlocked by entering your PIN or using biometric authentication if enabled. Next, navigate to the Controls menu on the touchscreen, then select Lights and Interior Lights. Choose your preferred color from the available palette of 16 million colors using the RGB spectrum. Once you've selected your color, tap the Save button to store your settings as a custom profile. You can create multiple profiles for different moods or scenarios. For advanced users, download the Tesla mobile app. Use it to remotely control your interior lights from your smartphone, allowing you to adjust settings even when away from the vehicle. You can also sync your Tesla lights with smart home systems like Amazon Alexa or Google Home, enabling voice control and integration with your home automation setup. Tesla offers a variety of lighting options, including solid colors and dynamic effects. The dynamic ambient modes allow lights to pulse and sync with music from Spotify or Tesla's audio system. Experiment with different colors and effects to create your desired ambiance. Try themes like Ocean for blue waves or Aurora for shifting hues. Dynamic ambient modes bring your music to life with pulsing lights that sync to the beat. Experiment with themes like Ocean for calming blue waves, or try Aurora for beautiful shifting hues that create a mesmerizing display. Tesla's interior LED lights use pulse width modulation, or PWM, for dimming. This technique rapidly switches the LEDs on and off at high frequencies, creating smooth brightness transitions without flickering that you might see with simpler dimming methods. The LED system integrates with Tesla's Controller Area Network, or CAN bus, which is the communication backbone connecting all vehicle systems. This integration allows the lights to respond to safety protocols, such as automatically dimming when autopilot is engaged to minimize distractions and maintain focus on the road. Tesla's interior lighting operates on a low-voltage direct current circuit designed to be safe and efficient. This setup draws minimal power from the vehicle's battery, typically consuming less than 5 watts when active, which is crucial for maintaining the range and efficiency of electric vehicles like Tesla models. Experiment with different color combinations to find what suits your driving style and mood. Use the Tesla app to save and switch between multiple profiles for different occasions. Regularly check for software updates, as Tesla frequently adds new lighting features and enhancements. Be mindful of the brightness settings to avoid distractions while driving. The future points to greater integration with smart home and entertainment ecosystems, where Tesla's interior lighting will seamlessly connect with devices like Alexa, Google Home, or Spotify for synchronized experiences. Expect AI-driven themes that automatically learn your preferences, adapting lighting colors and effects to match your favorite playlists, weather forecasts, or even your driving habits for a personalized cabin atmosphere. Tesla's roadmap hints at OLED-based lighting in upcoming models like the Model Y refresh, providing higher brightness levels, improved energy efficiency, and potentially more vibrant color options compared to current LED systems. Neuralink-inspired lighting may bring intuitive controls, where the system anticipates your needs through biometric data or gesture recognition, creating a more seamless and responsive interior experience. The ambient lighting market is expected to grow significantly to over $2.5 billion by 2027, driven by increasing EV adoption and demand for personalized, tech-integrated interiors across the automotive industry.